What sounds Christmas makes?
This is a reindeer laughing at its own joke.
What sounds Christmas makes?
This is the internal reaction of someone receiving 10 presents, but all of them turn out to be pens.
What sounds Christmas makes?
This is the sound of someone when they've eaten too much Christmas pudding.
What sounds Christmas makes?
This is the sound most people imagine when they hear a Christmas cracker joke.
What sounds Christmas makes?
This is the sound of a dog auditioning to pull Father Christmas's sleigh.
What sounds Christmas makes?
This is the sound of a fish floating through space opening its presents. Exactly.